Hi everyone, my name is Lala. You're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be doing something very unusual from the normal video tutorials we normally do. Okay, so today I'll be going fabric sourcing for wedding dresses. Yeah, so I want to show us how you can source for fabrics for different types of wedding dresses. You know, we have ball dresses, we have mermaid, we have wedding dresses with corsets, we have wedding dresses with ruffles. So all these types of wedding dresses, you know, have different fabrics that suits all the styles. Yeah, so I'll be going to the market today and I'll be showing us every single thing I'll be buying, and also I'll be giving us like a rough estimate of materials that you're going to be buying if you're making a certain type of a wedding dress. So let's get started. Okay guys, so this is one design of a wedding dress. It's a ruffled dress. It could be an off shoulder as seen, or it could be shoulder. Now for the upper parts, you need a very nice lace design that will really accentuate the beauty of this piece. I'll also be showing us another design of a ruffled dress. Yeah, so for the ruffled dress, majorly for the ruffled part, you can use either organza or satin, but the truth is, from experience, satin is quite heavy, like really heavy, so I suggest to use a organza. Now the part that makes it very wavy and all nice is you're going to be using crinoline, you know, to give it that wavy effect. Now I'll show us a sample I got in the markets. Yeah, so this is what a crinoline looks like. It comes in different widths. This is about 2 inches, so perfect to create the ruffles. And then if your dress is going to be having a corset, you need to make use of bra cups. It comes in different sizes, can you see? So it depends on your bust size. Okay, yeah. And then to create the ruffles on the dress, you need organza. Yeah, organza comes in different thickness, you know, but majorly the surface is shining and it's a little bit silky, sort of. Yeah, so we're moving to the next type of wedding dress, which is ball. Yeah, so for ball dresses, it has several layers of tulle or mesh. Some people call it veil net, and you could still use a very lightweight lace fabric as the final layer on top. Some people wear petticoat under, but it's not really necessary for you to wear a petticoat before the ball really comes out as you want. Okay, so the first fabric here is my tulle. This is the tulle. So when you're buying a tulle, you need to really touch it. Okay, now the very good ones are the ones that are really very soft. They are not cotton. Yeah, it's not fully cotton, and then you have to look out for the holes. Okay, now I'll come back to the tulle. Now for that type of wedding dress, the ball dress, you need to buy a lace fabric that the design is not too, you know, how do I put it now, it's not too crowded. Okay, make sure the design is a bit scanty, okay, so that it doesn't overshadow the look of the dress. Now back to the tulle, I had to go to another vendor to check out, you know, like compare. So you touch it, make sure it has this bouncy nature, and then you should look out for the ones that the holes are almost invisible. Like you put your hand and try to check the holes. Yeah, they're almost invisible. That's the best type of tulle to buy. I also had to go to another vendor. Don't mind, I was just, you know, trying to compare to like get the best results I wanted. So that's it. Okay, it should have this bouncy look. You could even like try to bounce it up and down, you know. If it doesn't give that, you know, just bouncy look majorly, then you need to work with satin. Yeah, satin, you have some that are dull face and some are shining, depending on what you want, but majorly the satin is always one of the layers in the ball dresses. Okay, yeah, before the tulle is one of the layers, and then also acting as the final layer. That's the lining on the wedding dress. Yes. And another thing very important is your hard net. This is completely different from the tulle. The hard net, the holes are quite big. You can see it from my hand, and then it's really hard. It gives your ball dress this stiff look, and makes it stand even without putting on a petticoat. Yeah, now let's look at another type of wedding dress. You can have a mermaid dress like this. Okay, so for the main dress, you could work with duchess, you could work with crepe, or stretch spandex material, you know, something nice. Then for the lower part of the dress and for the trimming and the sleeve and all of that, you need to really look out for nice lace fabrics that are soft, and very importantly, they have nice designs that you could cut out. You can see that these two lace fabrics here are quite different from the first one I showed us, you know, when I started shooting this video. These ones are quite different. This one, the designs are really nice, so you could cut this out to form trimmings for the bodies, okay, around the neckline. You can use skin nets, okay, and then arrange this. Majorly just get a lace that has very nice designs. Yeah. And then to give your wedding dress structure, you also need boning. This is it. Now for this boning, I used it on this particular dress. That's what gave my dress structure around my lace parts. Yes, the lace part of this dress. If there's no boning there, you're not going to have that perfect structure. The you know, the lace parts where you have the loops will be folding. Same thing for the front part of the dress. Yeah, trust me, I didn't use cups on this dress. It is the boning that gave this dress structure. Yeah. All right, so we have a special paid class on wedding dresses. Yes, the mermaid dress in particular, this particular dress here. So if you'd like to join our paid class, I will be dropping the link in the description box. Yes, and you'll get the details of the class, the flyer, and all the topics on how to make this particular wedding dress. Thank you so much for watching. Then one more thing, some of our students at the school will be graduating, and we have about 4 of them that will be making different types of wedding dresses. So if you want me to like post videos on how they'll be making the dresses, you can indicate that in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.